Ooh. Hey. Okay, so first things first, guys. I'm in LA right now. Oh my god. I'm here for like the craziest reason. I got invited to a Gucci beauty event. I'm still pretty shook about this information. I'm just kind of like, oh, well, I'm going. So we're gonna see what happens. But I'm super prepared. I literally have my outfit ready. My dress is hanging up right here. You'll see the finished product once I actually put it on my body. Other than that, I am in this gorgeous bathroom. Might as well show you guys. Like, wow, look at this bath. Isn't that ridiculous? Oh my god. Got the robe, cool mirror. That's me. Hey. And while I'm at it, might as well do a room tour. So let's do this thing. You got the front door here. You got a closet. Some statues here. This is my crazy clothes that I don't want you to see. There's so much stuff. I bought clothes, so yeah. And not gonna lie, it's a little bit of a mess in here right now, but it's still gorgeous. Isn't this beautiful? I am just so grateful for all of this. Oh my god. I don't even watch TV, bro. Why is it on? Here I am, back to this area. It's time to get ready, guys. It really is time because I have to leave in the next hour. Yeah, so here's me getting ready in an hour's time for a Gucci event. Bro, what? I'm so, like, bro, Gucci? Gucci? Like, you talking about Gucci? Bro, this video. All right.
Who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, day, like a light, day, like a light, day. Slept through the flight, day, not for the night, day. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, paid the price, yeah. Made this thing sweet, it's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Nuggets in my ice. Over stripes, yeah, that's what I like, that's what we like, lost my respect, we not a threat, when I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq, see the shots that I took, wet like I'm Brooke, wet like I'm Lizzie, I be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm busy, like where is he, no one seen him, I'm tryna clean him, she's in love with who I am, back in high school I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending texts, me sending kites. Yeah, he said keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. It's lit. Not Ferrari, Java Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping up, no parachute. Yeah, shorty in the back, she said she working on the blues. Yeah, ain't by the book. Yeah, this how it look. Yeah. Check, yeah. Just check the fronts, yeah. The passes to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama I'm a cover for us, got these other bitches shook, yeah.
Oxtails rice, oxtails over rice, with cabbage, plantain, and peas too. What you getting, bro?
Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now. We're about even. Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now. We're about even. Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now. We're about even. Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now.
Black head in my 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 yes. I repeat, yes, yes. I would never tell no veil. Speaking that I would never take my flow. I repeat, head in my 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 yes. I repeat, yes, so dead. I would never tell no veil. Speaking that I would never take my flow. I repeat, damn shit killer. I just got holes in the dinner. I ain't been home in a minute. I ain't never seen no ceiling. Come and got, yeah, he nailin'. Audio, I'm top billin'. All of my boys dope billin'. Super whack, I'm no villain. Nigga try to take my flow. Who the hell he think he is? I just wanna make my dough. Gotta take care of my kids. Handlebars, handle my beers. RP is so dead. I would never tell no veil. Spit that I wear no bills. Nigga try to take my flow. Who the hell he think he is? I just wanna make my dough. Gotta take care of my kids. Just hopped off the plane, about to fuck up the game. Insane in the brain, yeah. Niggas know my name, yeah. We're about even. Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now. We're about even. Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now. We're about even. Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now. We're about even. Everybody walk like me now. Everybody talk like me now. Word on who they wanna be now. I ain't your friend, I'm Willie. Broke as a joke, you silly. Get right, bitch, I'm Gilly. Bitch, I rock like Millie. Born and raised in Philly. Fuck around and roll like Hilly. Heart so cold, it's chilly. Stole my style, you guilty. Nigga try to take my flow. Who the hell we think he is? I just wanna make my dough. Gotta take care of my kids.
Alright guys, so I'm actually running late. What's new? So we're rushing. Yes, we are. They're rushing out of the door. Alright guys, this is the finished look. How do I look, guys? I think, did I snap? Did I do good? I think I did. I think I'm photogenic enough for Gucci Beauty. I will talk to you guys when I get there. Goodbye. Love this for me. I'm running late.
Understrong, middleweight, great fat weight,